to Homesteading Dime at a Time. I'm Greg. Bernie's there holding the camera. Today we're going to do the first oil change on my KIOTI tractor. So I got everything kind of set up. I got my new oil. I got my oil filter wrench, my new filter, and my pans on the other side. So I guess I'm going to get to her. I had the tractor running. The motor's warm. It's not hot. It's just nice and warm. So I like changing oil when it's warm because it drains better. So let's get to her. And we'll get at her. Let's get my cash pan. Okay, so on this tractor, I got two drain plugs. I got one on this side and one on this side because the drive shaft's right in the middle. Okay. Holy crap, that's a lot of bloody thread on the frickin'. Ooh, yeah. That one's dirty. Yeah. So we'd have to drain both of them. And so far it's going pretty good. Oil's not too bad there's 44 hours on the tractor, so I could go 50, but I thought I got to do a bunch of raking today. It's going to take me past 50, so I decided it doesn't hurt if I change it a little quicker. The oil I'm putting in is, I think it's 1030 diesel oil. Yeah, 1030 diesel oil. It's a Rotella T. A lot of people I used to work with, farmers and truck drivers, they swear by it. And I've been using 1540 in my 77 Dodge half ton. It's a gas engine. I'm using diesel oil, but yet that poor old motor has 750,000 miles on it and it still runs. I think I can put the back one back in. Hang on. I don't see nothing. Oil doesn't feel gritty, so that's a good sign.
Okay, that's okay, I've got it all on this one.
Okay, so now I'm going to tighten these back up. Yeah, if you ever buy a KIOTI, buy yourself a nice set of metric wrenches and sockets, because these tractors are built in Europe, so everything's metric.
They're built in Korea.
Oh.
What's this?
This is one of these little, it's like I use it as an adjustable oil filter wrench. There's another name for them, what they call them, but right now I can't remember. But they're one size fit all like oil filter wrench. I got real nice freaking oil filter wrenches, but I really don't know where they are, and I'm not in the mood to go hunt them down, so I'm just using this one because these work just as good. And I'm in extremely, holy crap, that's tight. And I was thinking, I should grab it, but no, I think I had one in the house, so ooh, this looks like a knuckle killer.
She's on tight. because these guys did not. Ah. Do you want me to move?
Yeah, I want to switch pieces.
You can be nice about it, Greg. No, I can't see. There we go.
Turn on by hand, half for gasser contacts. Okay, so a half a turn, a 3/4 turn after it makes contact. A little bit of oil on the gasket surface. Okay, so half. So that's going to be on the bottom. That's it. Okay, so that's done. Try to keep everything reasonably clean. This is my filler here. Oh, okay.
Sorry. Oh, okay. Wow, that's in a crazy spot.
Yeah, I should have lifted up the bucket. I don't see no oil running on the ground, so that's a good sign.
Gotta put in the other one too. Well, I thought you had to put more in.
Yeah, I do, but I gotta lift up the thing so I can get at stuff.
Oh.
So I'm gonna start the tractor. I'm gonna put the oil filter cap back on. I'm gonna start the tractor, and I'm gonna let the oil filter fill up.
That's it?
In the manual, they said to start it, run it for 3 or 4 seconds, then shut it down, then restart it. Has to do something about setting the oil in the filter. Oh, this is the part I hate.
Yeah, I didn't see that because you did it so fast.
So this has just two little dipples.
Just wait. Can I see where you're getting that from, please?
So if I hold this up to the light, can't see. I think I'm right there, so I'm good to go. One thing, if you want to have a good kick when you buy a tractor at the dealership, just tell them you need a longer dipstick because it's no longer, the old one is no longer touching the oil. As a joke, because they'll freak right out. But there, a successful oil change on the KIOTI 3510. So now I'm gonna let it idle for a bit, and just to make sure I got no leaks, because the last thing I want to do is be busy raking and pump all my oil out. I just have to make sure it's not dripping underneath and my oil filter doesn't leak. And then that's it. Then I'm going to hook up the rake and I'm going to start raking. I'll have some video of the raking when I'm in the back piece, but I'm not going to shoot no video when I'm doing the ditch, and I'm going to do the ditch first. Okay. So I'll have some video of me raking with the tractor pulling the rake. So I'm not going to do my ditch. So
can you?
So that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please click on the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, gladly leave them down below. And just remember, if you got chores to do, just give her, eh? So.
Oh God, that's Kyle. Come on, little boo. Come on, little boo. Come on. Do something cute.